Welcome to lesson 2 of GameXero. Today we're looking at the game loop. The first thing we do in the game loop is we get the user input, whether that's from a keyboard, a mouse, a joystick, joypad, or even from the network. Once we've got the user input, we then can update the character's position. After we've updated the character's position, we then update any computer-controlled characters. After that, we then check and see if there's any collision or any responses to be dealt with. After that, we can draw our game frame. Once we've drawn our game frame, we go back to the beginning, getting the user input all over again. Let's take a look through the code and see how that runs. So let's take a look through our game. First thing we've got is all these using commands. That's just telling XNA and C# what libraries we need to use to make our game work. It's a lot of the hard work for us. As we go down, this is our main project. The first thing we've got is this graphics device manager. That's basically a call to our graphics system. And these are going to be called our global variables. As we go through the game, we'll add quite a lot of information in this space just here. We've then got our public game one. This is the starting point of our game, so where it sets the start first bit up. Now, everywhere through this program is lots of these comments, and they are useful to read, but for now I don't really want them. They're just cluttering up our workspace. In the initialize function, this is any variables we've created just here, we can give them their starting data. We're now going down to our load content. As I'm sure you've guessed it, this is where we can load any things into our game, such as graphics, maps, models, textures, sound effects. Again, deleting these comments. Unload content is at the end of the game we really should unload those things we've already loaded in from memory. Again, deleting more comments. The update function, this is where our game will update everything on screen, such as position, whether something's fired, whether something's hit each other, whether that's it really. Then we can move down to our draw function, which we've already seen. This is where everything will draw to the screen. And that's the end of our game loop in the code. As we go along, we will add our own functions to do our own separate tasks. Okay, thanks for watching lesson 2 on the game loop. In the next lesson we'll actually start loading characters and making them move.